Struggling to change that default CTA heading in Namecheap? I'll show you exactly where to click to customize it in under a minute. So here's the plan. First, you'll open your site in the Namecheap builder. Then it's just 3 simple clicks to edit that heading and make it your own. All right, let's jump in. Start by navigating to your site inside the Namecheap website builder. If you're logged into your Namecheap account, you should see your projects listed there. Just click on the site you want to edit. This is going to open up the visual editor. And here's the thing. Everything you see on screen is pretty much clickable. If you ever get lost, just remember, the interface is designed to let you point and click on whatever you want to change. We're going to take advantage of that right now. So now that we've got the editor open, locate the highlighted area on the page. This is the call to action section. It's usually that big, bold banner or box that says something like "Get started" or "Sign up now." You'll see it's already highlighted with a thin blue border around it, or a little edit icon might appear when you hover over it. Go ahead and click directly on that heading text. Don't overthink it. Just click on the words themselves. This tells the builder, hey, this is the part I want to change. After that, simply click Continue. A small pop-up or panel should appear on the side of the screen. It might say something like Edit Section or Edit Call to Action, but the button you're looking for is clearly labeled Continue. This just confirms that you want to move forward and make changes to this specific section. It might take a moment to load the editing options, so just hang tight for 1 second. Now you can edit the heading text directly. A text box will appear, probably at the top of that side panel. This is where you get to type in whatever message fits your brand. Maybe you want it to say, "Claim your free trial," or "Book your consultation today." Whatever it is, just delete the default text and type in your new heading. And here's the really important part. Make sure it matches the button text below. If your heading says one thing and the button says something completely different, it can confuse visitors. Keep them aligned. Don't forget to save your changes. Look for a button that says Save or Apply, usually at the bottom or top of that side panel. Click it. If you skip this step, all that work disappears, and we don't want that. Finally, preview your site and publish the update. Click the Preview button in the top toolbar to see how it looks on an actual web page. Make sure everything is centered, the font looks good, and the spacing feels right. If you're happy with it, hit the Publish button. Namecheap will process the update, and within a few seconds, your new call to action heading is live for the world to see. And that's it. From being stuck with a default mismatched heading to having a custom call to action that actually represents your brand. Thanks for watching, and happy building!